Okay, vehicle. So you have been hearing this word, okay? So what is a vehicle in pharmacy? In pharmaceutical formulation, vehicles are the liquid bases that carry drugs and other excipients in dissolved or dispersed state. So basically, as the definition of vehicle that we know, like cars, right, is to carry something. So it's the same thing as the definition of vehicle in pharmacy. So it's actually the liquid base, okay, that will carry the drugs and other excipients when they are being dissolved in a formulation. So vehicle can be classified as aqueous vehicle or oily vehicle. So the aqueous vehicle are usually water, purified water, and buffers. Okay, and oily vehicles may be vegetable oils or mineral oils. So water, okay, so there are different type of water. As you can see in BPC, sometimes they use boiled water, they use distilled water, or at times they just use water. So basically, the type of water that we use in a pharmaceutical formulation nowadays, okay, is purified water. So if you see in BPC, they say freshly boiled water or things like that, you can change that into purified water. We have another type of water, which is water for injection, WFI. Water for injection is a type of water that is used to prepare products for injection. Okay, so for FAR 122, because we are not preparing any injectables, so we will use only purified water. So purified water, okay, so this table compare between purified water and water for injection. So basically, if you see, the difference mainly in the total bacterial count, okay, so and the endotoxin. Okay, so in purified water, the quantity or the amount allowed for total bacterial count is much higher than water for injection. Okay, because water for injection is meant to be injected, so the total bacterial count, the amount of bacteria that is allowed to be present in water for injection should be much less. Okay, because we don't want this the injectable products to cause problem to patient, right? Because the product is directly injected into the blood vessels. But for oral preparation that use purified water, our body can handle, okay, if the product contains a much higher bacterial count. But again, we are using purified water. We are using purified water, okay, not just any water that is taken from the water tap. Okay, description of solubilities. Solubility of drugs can be described as below, okay, based on BP and USP solubility criteria. So I think you have seen this in BPC. Okay, you can see that at times in BPC is written as soluble in 1 part of water. So parts, I think you already know that parts means ml or gram. So if a product is very soluble, the solubility is 1 part in less than 1 part of vehicle. So it means that 1 gram is soluble in 1 ml of water, as an example. 1 gram is soluble in 1 ml. 1 ml, 1 gram is soluble in 1 ml of water. So that is classified as very soluble. So if we classify as practically insoluble, it means that 1 gram needs more than 10,000 ml of vehicle. 10,000 ml equal to 10 liters. Means that 1 gram, we will need 10 liters of water to be solubilized. So that is practically insoluble. So this definition, I wouldn't expect you to remember, but I just want you to know the difference, the differences roughly. Okay, I don't expect you to remember this.